Welcome back, everybody.
Welcome back.
Had to buy me some new horns for my CRX because the OEM are not working.
Damn it.
So this is what I got. I got the Hella SuperTone horns, and let's do a little unboxing on this.
I figured I'd do one of those unboxing videos you've all been asking for.
Magic.
So here's the Hella SuperTone horns for the CRX. These are actually can fit any car really, but this is what I got for my CRX. I have them on another car, and they are pretty loud. So that's why I decided to go with this, not because of the Subarus.
Game.
And also it comes with the relay. Some people say you don't need it. I personally have tested without the relay and with the relay, and to me it sounds louder with the relay. Maybe it's just me, but I think it's better if you install a relay for your horns aftermarket. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna plug it into the stock wiring on my CRX.
Boom!
But if I see that they're weak, then I'll probably install it. I actually have horn harness relay, so I don't have to do all the wiring. I have it. It's just I don't want to keep adding a lot of wires to the CRX, so I'm just gonna plug them in directly. And this is how it looks on the back. They're supposed to be 120 dB, I believe, or 130, one of those. So we'll see. I don't have anything to test it with, so not sure, but I will be installing this pretty soon, and I'll make a little video on how I did it on my CRX. So like, share, and follow so you don't miss the video on me installing this on a CRX.